Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. We are here to comparing the world's smallest micro PC against a massive triple GPU desktop tower. Imagine holding a full computer in the palm of your hand. Now imagine a giant desktop tower packed with 3 powerful graphics cards, dozens of cooling fans, and enough power to run the most demanding tasks on Earth. Today, we're comparing 2 completely different worlds, the world's smallest micro PC versus a massive triple GPU desktop tower. Can a tiny computer really compete with a giant powerhouse? Let's find out. Chapter 1. Meet the tiny micro PC. At first glance, the micro PC looks unbelievable. It's so small that it can fit in your pocket or easily sit behind a monitor. Many modern micro PCs are only a few inches wide. Despite their tiny size, they often include multi-core processors, SSD storage, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, USB ports, HDMI outputs. In other words, this little box is a complete computer. For everyday tasks like browsing the internet, watching videos, office work, online meetings, a micro PC can perform surprisingly well. Chapter 2. Meet the triple GPU beast. Now let's look at the opposite extreme, the triple GPU desktop tower. This machine is huge. Inside the case you might find a high-end CPU, 3 powerful GPUs, hundreds of watts of cooling, large power supplies, massive amounts of RAM. These systems are designed for serious work, tasks like AI training, 3D rendering, scientific simulations, video production, machine learning. This is the kind of hardware used by professionals and researchers. Chapter 3. Size comparison. The difference is shocking. The micro PC may weigh less than a kilogram. The triple GPU tower can weigh over 20 kilograms. One can fit inside a backpack. The other may require both hands just to move. It's like comparing a bicycle to a freight train. Chapter 4. Power consumption. The micro PC is extremely efficient. Typical power usage, 20 to 65 watts. The triple GPU tower? Depending on the hardware, it can consume 1,000 watts or even more. That means higher electricity bills, more heat, bigger cooling requirements. The micro PC wins easily in energy efficiency. Chapter 5. Performance battle. Now comes the real test. Everyday tasks. Web browsing? Micro PC wins. Email? Micro PC wins. Netflix and YouTube? Micro PC wins. Most users will barely notice a difference. Gaming. The desktop tower dominates. Modern AAA games require powerful graphics cards. 3 GPUs provide enormous graphics processing power. Content creation. Video editing? Desktop wins. 3D animation? Desktop wins. Professional rendering? Desktop wins by a huge margin. Artificial intelligence. AI workloads love GPUs. A triple GPU system can process massive AI models much faster than a micro PC. For AI training, there is simply no contest. Chapter 6. Noise and heat. Micro PCs are usually quiet. Some are nearly silent. The triple GPU tower is a different story. When all GPUs are working hard, fans spin faster, temperatures rise, noise increases. It can sound like a small aircraft preparing for takeoff. Chapter 7. Upgradeability. The desktop tower has a major advantage. You can upgrade graphics cards, RAM, storage, cooling systems. Micro PCs have limited upgrade options. Most users can only upgrade memory or storage. If you want maximum flexibility, the desktop tower wins. Chapter 8. Cost comparison. A micro PC can cost a few $100s. A triple GPU workstation can cost thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars. That's because high-end GPUs are extremely expensive. For most people, a micro PC offers better value. For professionals, the desktop tower justifies its price through productivity. Chapter 9. Who should buy each one? Buy a micro PC if you need a compact computer, you browse the web, you work from home, You want low power consumption. You need a media center. Buy a triple GPU tower. If you train AI models, you create 3D graphics, you render videos professionally, you need maximum computing power, you run complex simulations. Final verdict. The world's smallest micro PC and a triple GPU desktop tower are built for completely different missions. The micro PC proves that modern technology can deliver amazing performance in an incredibly small package. The triple GPU tower proves that when raw power matters, size still has its advantages. One is designed for efficiency, the other is designed for absolute performance. And the surprising truth is this: for most people, the tiny micro PC is already powerful enough. But for creators, engineers, researchers, and AI professionals, the triple GPU monster remains king. So, if you had to choose, would you pick the tiny computer that fits in your pocket? Or the giant machine capable of powering the future of AI? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing technology comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.